I gave it all for fantasy. Is anybody gonna remember me? If I go tonight, I doubt the world will change. I just pray they don't forget my name.
Good morning, y'all. It's your girl Sid, and I'm back with another video. Today, I am getting ready for work. I am gonna do a little quick lock style. I have some 2-strand twists in the back that I'm going to undo, and up here in the front, I'm just gonna put it up into a cute little ball. I'm getting my hair done this weekend, so I'm just trying to make it until then. I tried to twist the sides a little bit because it was looking like an afro. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it up first. Back to my music. I got some scissors today. Ooh, got about 20 minutes. Not even that long, about 15 minutes. Back is getting so long. Don't forget to come and pick up your Ooh, it's way more than I thought it would. The alarm for me to be paying out. Okay. The back is looking good. Just need to fix this front up. Soft first with the to keep these out.
This shit is not real.
Okay, I got some of this Basque and lather edge control. Been seeing great reviews about it on TikTok. So I just lost the earring. There we go. I won't put too much. Come on,
The same girl, the girl you knew before she
Cut
came
us down.
What if I was you? What if I was the same? What if I'm the truth running around with no shame? What if I wasn't Alicia? Would it please you? How would I feed you? What if to you I was just a leecher? Why would I need you? Why would I need you? Yeah. Tell me why the hell is I'm always wrong. Tell me why the hell I had to write this song. Even when I'm really gonna say I'm wrong.
Okay, now let's fix this. So here.
Tell me why the hell is I'm always wrong. Even when I'm really gonna say I'm You can't understand me is an understatement. I love you more because I know you hate me. I love you more because I know you forsake me. So you hate it more, can't wait to drive the stake in. You lucky I do this for different reasons. Trying all the time for me to
extra salty.
I wish I could just be like this. My hair looks so brown on camera.
Just cause I told a lie, it don't mean it I ain't real no more. So you don't know how to.
You can't blame me till you blame yourself why we didn't turn out right. All I wanted was for you to lean on me like dirty spray. No cold in the cold heart.
Screaming. Lord have mercy.
She talk foul, she get mad. You do that out of hurt. Tomorrow you make time for what you want when you gon' put me first. I text back today, you said that yesterday, this shit get worse.
Alright. Leave this tie down for a little while and I will show you guys the final results. I'm finally picking the vlog back up. Just got off work and I'm finally made it to Hibbett's. So I decided to wait simply because they always do like 20% off of 50 or more. So I was like, I'm gonna just wait until they do that again. And what do I know? They did it this week and I was actually having a very, very drained day. I happened to see the coupon this morning, so I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and order these shoes. I feel like this shoe is perfect for work, for play, for anywhere I want to go. I just feel like it's a very universal shoe that I can wear anywhere. So I'm going ahead and getting my shoes today and we're just gonna go ahead and go inside. We got the package. So I made it home and I just want to unbox my shoes for you guys. Got some New Balances. Can you see? No, y'all can't see. There we go. Moments of truth. So freaking cute. One of my favorite colors is lavender, so I really, really like these. They got beige. I don't know if this is white or like an off-white maybe, but they're really cute. I feel like they could go with anything. Honestly, that's just me though. I'm gonna try them on real quick just to make sure they fit. Yes. Yay. I've been wanting me some New Balances. I told y'all. So I finally found some that I think are really, really cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave a big, big, big thumbs up and a comment down in the comment sections. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.